We're going to make the Jaeger Tonic for you. This is a very, very simple drink to make. We're going to start out with a little ice in the glass. Start out with 2 shots of Jägermeister. Jägermeister is a liqueur from Germany. It actually means hunters something or other. I'll get back to you on that. Hunt master is what it means. And it's a German bitter liqueur that is made out of 56 herbs and spices and fruits. It's actually not bad as cough syrup also. We're going to go ahead and top this off with some tonic water. Going to go ahead and mix gently because we're using carbonation. Present you up in a nice little cocktail glass. Going to garnish with a little bit of lime, straw, the Jaeger Tonic. Cheers.